If you want to make macro photos on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, you have the macro mode built into the camera phone. So for example, if you want to take the photo of a small object, the phone can detect when it happens. Of course, you can still turn off and turn it on if needed, but essentially this is automatic. However, this is the default macro mode. There's also super macro, which is available if we swipe down, for example, in the middle of the screen, and then over here we have super macro, which can also be used in order to take a photo of small objects. And of course, it is important to keep a distance between the small object and the camera itself, because if we try to look too closely, then of course we might lose the focus. We can still zoom in with the super macro. So if you want to actually capture a part of the small object, then you can just zoom in or zoom out, instead of trying to keep your camera closer. And that is essentially it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!